Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to install and use a garden hose quick connect. This is great for anybody who switches between a sprinkler and a sprayer a lot. So the first thing you want to do is just grab the connector. I'll have them linked in the description below if you're interested. But this connector here, there is a little spot here where it says pull forward. If you pull, that will disengage the holding mechanism inside, and then you can release the part that goes on the tool, and this will go in the garden hose. So if you grab the male end of your garden hose and you grab the female end here, you will just twist this on clockwise until it's snug. Next, you want to take this and apply it to any tool that you want to do. So I have a sprinkler right here. So we want to take the threaded end and thread this in clockwise until it's tight. Once it's there, you can grab the garden hose end and then the tool and push it together and it'll snap in place. And then to release it, you'll just pull the collar up and pull down. If you thought this video was useful, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.